ASCS is a NGO which was established in 1996. ASCS services are child health and education, environmental conservation, women empowerment. ASCS found the problems like poverty widespread on hills, lack of adequate information. ASCS main objectives: to arrest and reverse the trend of forest degradation by making the community responsible for monitoring removals from the forest, to provide sustainable employment opportunities to the tribals and other weaker sections of the population, to create durable community assets which would contribute to overall village development, to involve the forest dependent community in the execution of the program for the better implementation of various schemes of the MOEF, to liaison with government department and agencies to develop and implement eco-friendly village development program. In 1998, ASCS constituted 90 VSSs in 5 mandals by joining hands with forest department. ASCS planted fruit plants, bamboo, other plants in 200 acres as a demonstration plants program which was conducted for 2 years. Still, ASCS visits and conducts the meetings with the 90 VSSS committee members for motivation actions like saves the bamboo cutting which are belongs forest department, saves the take trees cutting which are belongs forest department, provides training for forest dwellers on using forest resources, and also provide marketing for the products, non-timber forest products like food, fodder and grasses, bamboo, canes, medicinal products, spices, essential oils, insecticides, resins, gums, commercial leaves, natural dyes and tannins, starches, oils and fats, fibers and flosses, and animal products like lac, silk and honey, etc. ASCS completed activities with Forest Department, NGOs and VSSS members' help. Organized the cultural programs activities in the form of songs, skits, street plays on the following aspects: the relations between man and tree, benefits on conservation of forests, conservation of wildlife, environment protection, importance of literacy, education of child labor, integrated forest development. ASCS joined in the Neeru Meeru program and identified the beneficiaries for the sanitary latrines and soak pits in their homes. ASCS explained the people about the importance of cleanliness of surroundings and upkeep of home. ASCS educated the concerned VSS people about the prevention of fire accidents and rehabilitation program implementation. ASCS encouraged the people to install themselves smokeless chulas, biogas plants. Planted trees as part of microplan with horticulture department help. ASCS is supplying seeds of vegetable gardening with various government departments help. Prepare the action plan with reference to the released funds. Trained the VSSS members about account management. Organized workshops to the stakeholders of AP Community Forest Management Program with the cooperation of forest and concerned community in Kunavaram range. Clarified the doubts raised by the people about the following subjects: PRA formation of VSS under CFM, duties, rights and responsibilities of management committee, chairman, vice chairman, the role of ITDA level subcommittee, right of VSS. ASCS constituted the VSSs with Forest Department and NGOs. Andhra Pradesh, Kunavaram, Chinturu, Motugudem, Viyarpuram. In Telangana, it is at Bhadrachalam. ASCS planning activities with Forest Department, Fisheries Department, NGOs and VSSS members. Constitute eco-development committees for ecotourism and serving as guides. Educate the people not to throw plastic and dust into Shabari Godavari rivers. Constitute Adivasi VSS for forest dependent tribal communities. Creating nurseries, upgrade the designs of finished products and provide digital marketing. Grafting fruit trees, seed dribbling with government help. Many villages are submerging with light rains. ASCS was providing food, milk, buttermilk, ration to victims with government help. ASCS was moving the cyclone victims to the which are in height with fisheries department help. Now ASCS is planning to create a rehabilitation program at Kotulagutta with Andhra Pradesh. Telangana government help as a joint program of Forest Department and Fisheries Department. Upgrade the monitoring system using latest technology to take care the animals. ASCSS VSS development process. Preparation phase. Site identification, specification of area and locality of the VSS. Make vision statement with association of Forest Department and VSS committee. Mobilize the funds. Identify the problems and solve them using by laws. Planning phase with Forest Department and VSS. PRA for the preparation of microplan, which is a plan of activities regarding conservation and community development. Plan for deliverable. Implementation and moving phase with team. Prepare action plan and prepare budget resources. Open bank account with VSS chairperson and vice chairperson. Implement the action plan and regular work monitoring. Spend the money within budget under NGO's third eye. Forest Department providing the resources to VSSs to develop the forest. ASCS and other local NGOs are facilitators for the programs. Once the development done, then 50% share should go to village development activities and 50% share should go to forest development activities as promised by Forest Department. But 50% share is not coming for VDA, and this matter is demotivating the VSSs to develop the forests and maintaining the VSSs.